Hello and welcome to you. Are you ready to get dancing? For my newbies here, make sure to subscribe. First, check your posture before we get started. So feet together, knees bent, relax, and make sure to have a back straight at all time. Put your pelvis in a neutral position like this. So today's steps is called the varu, the figure 8, and we start like this. We make a figure 8 to the right, to the left. We hit to the front and we come back to the back. So we make sure to twist those hips like this and we move the heels along. So the opposite heel is going to hit while the opposite hip is moving front and back. We move those knees along with the hips smoothly like this. From the back, it's gonna look like this. And I'm going to really twist those hips front and back. I don't forget to bring them forward and backwards all the way while my heel is twisting. So let's do this together. Ready? Bend your knees and make sure to twist, twist. Twist front, bring it back. Twist front, bring it back. Make sure the heels are moving as well. Keep going. Go front, switch side, go front, at tempo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and release. Very good. Let's dance with the music. Ready? Bend your knees and we twist right, twist left. Keep going. Try to make it looking smooth. There you go. Really hit in the front corner and all the way to the back. Ready to add tempo. And we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Keep going. 1. There you go. Twist those hips. Few more. Very good. Well done on today's class. Comment and tell me how it was for you. Come and join me for more classes online. You have the link below, TahitiDanceFitness.com. Stay your amazing self always, and I look forward to see you for our next class.